Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to disable screen distance option in iPhone. Tap on the settings, little bit scroll up to find tap on screen time, tap on screen distance, reduce I, simply turn off the toggle, go back, again tap on screen time, tap on screen and restrictions. You can see appears on screen time and distance is disabled successfully. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to disable screen distance feature on iPhone. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.